Cynthia and I both tried to really swankify ourselves out
so
that we could. We wanted to come and show you our outfits and what we tried to be.
Yes. How do we look?
Oh, absolutely. Cosmopolitan outfit. That's fun.
Yeah, I wish I had a
awesome.
swish with.
We want to give you guys a present.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you're joking.
No, for real.
Oh,
No.
This is what we love to do.
This is for you. An animal friend for
And
you.
look, pink for Glinda.
We would love to see the new movie.
I have been working on my magic.
Okay.
She's getting stronger every day.
Working.
Oh, good.
I appreciate that. Means a lot to me. Okay, hold on.
I love that attitude right there.
I need you guys.
Us too? Yeah, come on. Come on. You can do it. Yes.
Amazing!
What do you got? A drink? Tastes like
Magic.
In one impossible moment, the magic became real.
We were suddenly walking into a wicked double feature.
Double? As in?
Yes, sir.
If you're teasing me, I'm going to full-on meltify.
Which means the very first showing of Wicked for Good at Universal Orlando.
Oh boy! Hold up, since we actually got our wish, shouldn't we?
Show our rail fans all the Oz adventures that led up to this point?
Yeah.
Thrillifying! Roll the tape.
Ooh.
From the moment we walked into City Walk, we knew this wouldn't be an ordinary visit.
Oh no, I mean, I could smell the Oz dust in the air. Today, we're taking you straight into Universal Orlando's newest Wicked offerings.
The snacks, the drinks, the desserts, the displays.
Plus all the new costumes, props, and merch inside Wicked, the Experience.
And then we head to the theater for a back-to-back showing of Wicked and Wicked for Good.
So if you want to know what Universal has created for all Wicked fans,
Then let's go off the rails.
the Wicked edition.
We are here at Schwab's and we are about to try the Wizard's Elixir.
Ooh, can we trust it?
I don't know.
But let's just go in blind. You ready?
Yep.
I'll take this side.
Oh, it's mint chocolate chip.
Mint. Like a
Drink
grass.
that.
And Andy's are a grasshopper cookie.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, for that, like, that's pretty dang good. That's not even something that I would normally order or go for. But what's your score?
That's my favorite flavor, so
Yeah?
a 10.
10. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna stick right there with it. A 9. That is a really good milkshake. And now the Yellow Brick Road milkshake, and I know it says Dulce de Leche.
It's like a vanilla with some caramel.
That's what Dulce de Leche. It's like all mixes in.
Yeah, that's a caramel vanilla flavor.
So what's your score?
I'm gonna give this one a 9.
Oh, me too. 9 boys, and that means it gets a high five.
My Ozness, step inside Universal Orlando's Wicked Experience and prepare to be utterly glamorified.
Glinda's gown practically bubbles with benevolence, and Elphaba's wardrobe radiates that deliciously defiant witchery. Don't forget the photo ops. Each are a perfectly positerized moment where you can stand right on the cusp of Oz and say, yes, I am that girl.
Spellbooks, wands, trinkets, and tidbits, the kind of magic that makes you hum for good before you even realize it.
We have got our Wicked for Good treats from Emerald City Eats. This is the green enchanted elixir. It is an adult beverage. Tequila.
It's a margarita.
Yes.
I'm gonna give this a 3. I'm not a big tequila drinker.
Well, I'm gonna give this a 6. This is the Emerald City Focaccia. There we go. Much better than I thought.
I'm gonna give that about a 7.
Actually, exact same score. 7. We were doing good today. Bing. Here we are with the All Roads Lead to Oz flatbread.
And this road is gonna lead right to my mouth. Give that about a 3. That is not great.
I'm gonna do a 4.
We are about to try the popular punch.
I love this stuff.
Let's see if it makes us popular.
Oh, I hope so. This should get us a bunch of subscribes right now. See the number coming up. Phew, that was good, sour, good, sweet.
It's pretty tasty. It's pretty tasty.
Pretty tasty.
I'd give that about a 7.
Yeah, I'm gonna give that a 7 too. High five.
We are about to have the strawberry full cheesecake waffle.
Strawberry full cheesecake waffle. Woohoo! A lot of sugar there. Strawberry shortcake waffle, for sure.
I'm gonna give that a 7.
Yeah. I'm scoring that with a 5.
New merch alert!
First up,
Here at Twosomes, we're gonna try their wicked drinks. I have got the cocktail, right?
Yes.
I've got the cocktail. It is the Emerald City Sour.
and this is the mocktail, and it is called the Push to Bubble.
Switch.
Okay. Okay.
And that's really good.
Okay, let's rate this one.
Okay, the cocktail, the Emerald City Sour. Wendy, you want to go first?
I think it's delicious. I'm going to give it a 9.
Yes, it's
I
a
love
really
it.
good drink.
I absolutely love it.
Special good drink. I mean, if you like those types of drinks, a cherry sour, any type of the sour drinks, you're gonna love it. This is gonna be a 7 for me. You tap to bubble, and I mean, it couldn't get any pinker, could it?
I'm going to give that one about a 5. I thought it wasn't as flavorful as I wanted it to be, but it's refreshing and it's okay.
Oh, it's really delicious, and especially if you have any Glinda fans, this is the perfect drink for a little Glinda princess. Don't miss out. So many sprinkles and butterflies and green things and pearls and
Sparkles.
berries.
It's so full of sparkles.
Cookies.
Here, let's try the butterfly wings.
Butterfly wings together.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, what crunchy.
Tasty.
Like
Good
chocolate.
I like it.
Okay.
Show them that. That's a full green and pink Oreo cookie.
All right, are you ready?
Yep. Together.
Yeah, let's
Together.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. An amazing tribute to the movie, and the culinary art on it is just amazing.
Really fun. It's very
Okay,
beautiful.
so what do you give it?
I am going to give it a 9, oh boys.
I am also going to give it a 9, oh boys.
High five.
Point.
This is Derek before Wicked Part 1. Double feature. Exciting.
This is me before the movie. It was really, really, really good.
Hopefully we could have a little bit of time. Maybe for you it's just the blink of an eye, but we'll be back with our review.
That's so good. Okay.
Okay, welcome to the first official Voodoo Donuts Off the Rails movie review. Hashtag not sponsored.
Not sponsored.
Yeah, so we just saw Wicked for Good today, as well as the first Wicked. We also saw Wicked for Good and had a whole Oz adventure. Now we'd like to give you our oh boy scores for Wicked for Good. So first we'd like to talk about, how about we talk about production design?
Production design, 9 out of 10 oh boys. Yeah, Paul Tazwell did an excellent job. One of my favorite costumes was Bach's traveling costumes.
Awesome.
I just loved all of the different details and all of that, and the fabrics and the textures of it. And to touch on the sets, they're amazing. It blows my mind that a lot of those are practical sets, and where they had to add CG to continue the scenery and whatever, it still looked amazing.
And something we both agreed on is we really liked the look of the lighting, like the overall lighting of the film.
Yeah, it was much better lighting this time in this movie than the first one.
It deepened it.
Yeah.
It deepened the emotions, the story, it matured it.
Okay, yeah, and so now, Derek, tell us about the director.
The director's name is John Chu, and gosh, what a director. I mean, and I will say, I think that this film completes what is an American musical masterpiece that happened during our time. I read the book in the 90s, randomly found it at Half Price Books when I was 16 years old. It came out my first year in college. I saw it 26 times, at least with the original Broadway cast. It was my life, my soul, my everything. I didn't want this to be made into a movie, but thank you, John Chu, because it's brilliant. And I don't think I could ever give a director on the planet a 10, but I will give you a 9. It's a 9. I think it's brilliant. I think you have made an American musical masterpiece.
Okay, and now I am going to talk about the writing, including the music. I have to be honest, I've never seen Wicked, so this was my first introduction to the musical. I have heard all the music. Being a theater person, I have heard the music, but seeing it and listening to it in the form of the story, I thought it was told beautifully. I really, really enjoyed the song Wicked for Good. That's probably one of the best songs of For Good. That's probably one of the best songs in the whole musical, in my opinion.
Most definitely.
And what I really enjoyed about that is that you can really see the true friendship between Ariana Grande and Cynthia Erivo. That emotion was real, and it just reached out of the screen and touched my heart. It moved me emotionally. I was bawling my eyes out during that song.
You could hear the whole audience.
Yeah,
the whole audience gasping for air.
So I'm gonna give them a 10 for that. The writing and the music was amazing.
Awesome.
Okay.
And my next thing to complete it off is the talent.
Yes.
And the talent, you could talk on and on from like smaller characters like Bo and Yang to Jeff Goldblum to gosh, I could sit here and list forever. Cynthia Erivo, obviously, but I have to say it. And obviously, I mean, the pink, the Glinda is my favorite. I did not want this to happen. I honestly didn't want it to happen. And when I heard it was going to be Ariana Grande, I thought I was going to ban the movie. So I am going to have to be honest with you and give Ariana Grande a 10 because it was brilliant. It was brilliant. It was wonderful. It doesn't take away from anybody else's performance, but Glinda's performance, Ariana's performance as Glinda, especially in the new For Good, I think it could go up into Best Actress category myself.
Oh yeah, definitely. There's going to be some Academy Awards thrown at it, at least some nominations thrown at this movie for sure.
I mean, more than one of the performers
Yep.
deserves it for sure.
Yep.
But Ariana Grande is just, I mean,
100%
congratulations.
agree.
Our overall score a piece, right?
Oh yeah.
Overall for the film, what would you give it?
Give it a 9.
I'm gonna have to go for the 9 as well.
And that brings our total score to...
Average all those scores together. The official first Voodoo Donuts Off the Rails movie review ever is for Wicked for Good, and we scored it a 9.3.
Go see it. It's amazing.
Yes, really do go see this film.
Thank you, Railfans, for spending this wicked day with us.
Okay, before we head out, please hit subscribe and hit like. This helps our channel spread and our magic spread further than any bubble ever could.
And drop a comment below.
Are you Team Pink?
Or Team Green.
Or Team, why not both? Wicked for Good is out in theaters now.
Grant yourself a wish and get yourself to the theater to see it.
Driver, I think you're clear for dispatch.
And always remember to stay off the rails.
If today has taught us anything, it is this. Be brave enough to stand up for what you believe in, even when the world doesn't understand you.
And be kind, truly kind. The kind that lifts people up just by being yourself.
Let's all just be good.
Yes.